President Aquino did not get a clear picture of what was happening in Mamasapano, Maguindanao in the morning of January 25, 2015. This came out at the resumption of the Senate hearing on the bloody incident that resulted in the deaths of 44 elite policemen on a mission against 2 terrorists. Jade Miguel followed this report.
It seems like the AFP and even President Aquino did not get a clearer picture as to how worse the situation in Mamasapano operation was being conducted. That has been the said reason why the AFP was not able to immediately send the reinforcement on the SAF forces in the middle of their encounter with the MILF and BIFF. Based on the text exchanges of resigned PNP Chief Alan Purisima and President Aquino, there has been an impression that the President knew that there has been a coordination between PNP and AFP and that the military is included in the said operation. According to DILG Secretary Mar Rojas and DND Secretary Voltaire Gazmin, they have no knowledge of the gravity of the situation since they are not informed as to how many police forces were deployed and how risky the operation was.
The hostiles in the area are much more than our troops, and the nearby mixed armed groups were quick to reinforce. So at that time, we are just trying to get a picture of what is happening, not knowing that in fact this operation had already been launched.
Meanwhile, the role of the tactical commander and the president on giving orders during an operation was given light during the hearing. It has been noted that the tactical commander is the one who gives orders or command, while the president only receives updates with regard to the operation.
So at least dito nakikita natin, hindi ganun yon. Ang presidente, binibigyan lang siya ng update kung ano yung picture, pero iniiwanan niya yung mga senior commanders niya to give the proper advice doon sa ground commanders kung kailangan.
For the People's Television, this is Jade Miguel reporting.